Welcome to Nature's Glory Cabin Off-Road. In this video we are having Off-Road and Overland Unlimited install our RockHard 4x4 Patriot series bumper with tire carrier. We're not doing this willy-nilly. We had, this is recorded on April 13th. We were having trouble with the tailgate mounted tire carrier, and it was dragging the tailgate down with that 35-inch tire. So we're solving the problem by making it mounted to the bumper. So here we are removing the old bumper in the pictures here, and I believe it was the same brand actually, but that was the tire carrier being assembled. And cleaning and painting the surfaces here before we mount the new bumper. I didn't get video of the new bumper being put on, so here I have these pictures in the tire carrier. We're coming up here, and now they're going to attach the swing arm tire carrier to the bumper itself.
Super tight, just enough to take the up and down movement out.
If you noticed on the old bumper, this wiring was on top of the bumper. Well, we had to relocate it because of the swing arm, so we're going to put it into the tub where it fits better. Now, there are some wires hanging down behind there, I noticed.
Not in this spot.
Okay.
It's going, what did I do to piss you off?
Had to cut the old wires. And here they're tucking it into the tub, and we'll be wiring it back up later when we get it all bolted in nice and tight.
Feel it pretty good?
Yep, looks good to me. After marking all the wires, we're going to use self-tapping screws here to go in through the tub, and then I'll go on the backside and wire it. I didn't get any video of the wiring. I mean, it's basically just moved from one place to another in order to get everything to work right. And there it is. There's a trailer wiring all moved. There's a logo on the bumper, and we'll take a little walk around here. You see, got that big 35-inch tire tucked in a little tighter now. The little rubber bumpers fit tight. Got a billet cap on there. That's a pretty good looking thing. Hope everybody's enjoyed this. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.